we have Dr. Akhilesh Sharma ji, who is a PhD in herbal medicine and is a world-renowned Ayurveda specialist. Dr. Akhilesh Sharma ji, it's a pleasure to have you at World Hindu News Hindu Talk Show.
Thank you very much.
He has clinic in Delhi and he also has presence in United States. If somebody Google World Top Ayurveda Specialist, you will see Dr. Akhilesh Sharma ji under top 3. A pleasure to have you, Akhilesh ji, on Ayurveda.
Pleasure, sir.
You can have the information on Ayurveda at ayurvedatoday.org. That's the website which has the subject matter knowledge on Ayurveda. He was Delhi Government Tax Advisor on Ayurveda and the President of India awardee on Ayurveda. Thank you, Akhilesh. My first question to you is, what is Ayurveda and is it a recognized system of healthcare?
Very good question asked, sir. The word Ayurveda actually is a Sanskrit word, and it's a combination of two words, Ayu and Veda. The word Ayu means life and Veda means knowledge. So it is a knowledge about life. It is not merely a system of medicine. Many times we think when we say Ayurveda means Ayurvedic medicine. It's not only a healthcare system, but it is a complete approach towards life, knowledge about life. It is art and science and philosophy of life. In other words, we also say it is art of being. So it is the oldest system of healthcare in the world. If you go to the history of medicine, you have to go to the history of documentation. For that, we have to go to the history of script. If you see the history of script, Sanskrit is considered the oldest, the mother tongue of all languages. So evidently, Ayurveda was the oldest and documented healthcare system in this world ever existing.
Thank you, Dr. Akhilesh Sharma ji. What are the diseases that are being treated that can be treated by Ayurveda?
Well, if you look into the bigger picture, almost 70% of the diseases, I would say, which are curable with Ayurveda, let it be lifestyle-related disorders, autoimmune disorders like diabetes, arthritis, asthma, heart diseases, cancer, skin problems, gynecological disorders, sexual disorders. Many of those diseases which are related to lifestyle, related to immunity, they are all obstinate conditions, neurological disorders, stress, anxiety, insomnia, depression, multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's, cerebral palsy. We have very, very good success rate treating with people with Ayurveda practices. And people come from all over the world. They come to get the treatments here. We get many patients coming from all over the world. And because I have been trying to propagate the system, traveling globally in the international conferences, yoga conferences, medical schools, delivering lectures on the subject, and people are coming in groups or as individuals. Now the situation is many medical doctors are recommending patients, and even people come by word of mouth, people come through email, website, Skype. So Ayurveda is gaining momentum all over the world. People are really sick of chemical medicines, and because of the side effects, the book of contraindications of chemical medicines today is 4 times thicker than book of indications. So people are looking for safer, effective, natural methods and ways and means to cure. Ayurveda talks about spirituality, diet, lifestyle, yoga, meditation, and also herbal products which are time tested for more than 10,000 years. So it's an established system of healthcare in India.
Thank you, Dr. Akhilesh Sharma ji, on that. About your scope and work profile internationally, can you please shed some light on that?
Well, I started traveling about 19 years ago when one of the senior US diplomat who was visiting India, he suffered from prostate cancer and coincidentally his wife had a breast cancer situation which was radiotherapy done, but the wound was not healing. So coincidentally both of them, accidentally I saw them by word of mouth, and since then he invited me to the United States after that just for me to come because both of them had amazing results with Ayurveda. So since then, it has grown by word of mouth, and I've been traveling and doing consultations. I do seminars. I take private sessions with the people, tell them about diet, lifestyle, change in the habits, and also telling some herbal supplements, which many of them are now also available in the United States. So for me, US has become another home by word of mouth. It has the publicity has grown so widely without even advertising. No ad campaign, nothing. I have not put any commercials, nothing. But I have patients more than 24,000 just in the United States, all coming by word of mouth. So that shows itself that how good potential is there and how strong presence of Ayurveda is there. Today WHO says, the World Health Organization is saying that every third US citizen is looking for some other kind of alternative healthcare system of medicine because they are really frustrated of the business model of the healthcare system of chemicals, which is bringing more contraindications rather than cure.
Right.
So, and it is not safe, not effective. So that's why Ayurveda has got a strong lead, and people are really looking forward to it.
Thank you, Dr. Akhilesh ji. And you have eminent client list worldwide. You would like to take some name who are your clientele? I mean, just in general, whatever you are comfortable
Well,
with.
well, there is a list. List is actually endless. In see, my father was a diplomat, so for that reason, I'm quite exposed to travel worldwide. And I myself, on my basis of Ayurveda, have been traveling for more than 23 countries, say from Eastern Europe up to West Midlands, up to Scandinavian region, Bulgaria, Romania, Finland, Sweden, Brussels, England many times. I go to Prince Charles Foundation, Prince Charles Foundation, and many Bollywood stars in India also. Yordanka Kristova, famous singer from Bulgaria. There are many, many more sports players. A famous basketball player Alonzo Mourning from United States, and likewise many other patients. I have been seeing Dr. Deepak Chopra's mother in India, and many more people. Actually, it's not a. What I'm trying to tell you is the celebrity tag. Thing is, it grew by word of mouth, and what I'm trying to say is, if it is working, that's why many of these celebrities are getting attracted towards Ayurveda and coming for treatment and looking for the answers of the unsolved questions for which they don't find any answers in the chemical medicine.
Thank you, Dr. Akhilesh ji, and it's a pleasure to have you.
Very welcome,
And
sir.
by hearing about Ayurveda again, ayurvedatoday.org. That's the website. Our subscribers can go read, research, and contact Dr. Akhilesh Sharma ji.
Sure, I'm on Skype also. My Skype address is Akhilesh G, which is AKHILESHJI. And on my website, the dates are flashed as and when I'm in the United States or I'm traveling to South America, like I go to Colombia, Peru, Mexico. I see the Colombian presidents, also former 2 or 3 presidents in a lineage, and many other people who have been coming by word of mouth. Many of them used to travel to the United States. Some of them have been even to India all the way. So, all because of Ayurveda. So, and I am grateful. See what message I want to give to the entire Indian community living all over the world, that Ayurveda was the oldest system of healthcare, as I said in the beginning, and time tested, has a tested track record of more than 5,000 years. It is not just hanky-panky stuff of kitchen remedies or whatever. It is a complete system of knowledge, tried, tested, but unfortunately was not propagated. 200 years of British rule in this country, before that 400 years of foreign invaders. For all these reasons, in the last 600 years, we lost a lot, but the greatness of Ayurveda makes us really go strong again, because it is time-tested system of healthcare. It's not my creation of 3 days or anybody's creation. So research has already been done. It is the most effective, safest system of healthcare which can address any of those diseases which have not been addressed in chemical medicine, except the surgery part. If we leave, and some emergencies. 10% are emergencies,
Right.
20% are surgeries. The rest 70% of the diseases are treatable with Ayurveda. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm more than happy to give you doubts, queries, any answers you want. I'll be more than happy to answer to my Indian brothers, to a community living all over the world.
Thank you, Akhilesh ji.
Thank you
Namaste.
very, very much.